Do you sometimes look at an English word and think, why is it spelled like that? Do you write a word and feel unsure if it is correct? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many English learners have this problem. English spelling can be strange and difficult. But I have good news for you. Today, I will help you. I will give you 10 easy tips to improve your English spelling faster than you think. These tips will make spelling easier and less stressful. Let's start. Tip number 1. Learn the sounds of letters first. Every letter makes a sound. When you know the sounds, spelling becomes easier. For example, the letter B sounds like buh, as in bat. The letter M sounds like as in man. Try this. Say the word map slowly. Your brain will remember the sounds and the letters together. Start with simple words like cat, dog, and sun. Say each sound clearly. This will help you spell new words without fear. Tip number 2. Look for small words inside big words. Many long words have short, easy words inside them. Finding these small words helps you remember the spelling. For example, the word everywhere has every and where inside. The word something has some and thing. The word grandmother has grand and mother. When you see a long word, stop and look for smaller words you already know. Your brain will feel less tired. Spelling becomes like solving a small puzzle. Try this with into, without, or birthday. You will remember better. Tip number 3. Use your hand to write the word. Typing is fast, but writing by hand is stronger for your memory. When you write a word with your hand, your brain works harder. For example, take the word beautiful. Write it 5 times slowly. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Look at each letter as you write. Then write it again without looking. Try this with friend, because, and different. Every day, write 3 difficult words by hand. This will help your brain keep the spelling forever. Speaking becomes easier too, because you will feel more confident. Tip number 4. Say the word the way it is spelled. Sometimes English pronunciation is different from spelling, but you can pretend to say the word exactly as it looks. This trick helps you remember the letters. For example, the word Wednesday is said Wednesday, but say it in your head as Wednesday. The word interesting can be interesting. The word chocolate can be choc-o-late. When you practice spelling, say the word slowly, like this. Your ears will help your eyes remember the letters. Try this with February or vegetable. It feels silly, but it works very well. Tip number 5. Make a word family. Words that look similar are called a word family. Learning them together saves time. For example, think of light, night, right, and bright. They all have "ite" at the end. Another family is make, take, cake, and lake. Another family is ball, call, fall, and small. When you learn one word, learn 2 more from the same family. This will help you spell faster because your brain sees the pattern. Try making your own family with play, stay, and day. You will remember more words in less time. Tip number 6. Use a spelling notebook. Get a small notebook only for spelling. Write down words you spell wrong. Look at your notebook every day. For example, if you always write receive instead of receive, write it correctly 3 times. Write the wrong spelling too, then cross it out. This shows your brain the mistake clearly. Add 5 new words every week. On Sunday, review all the words in your notebook. You will see your mistakes less and less. Your notebook becomes your personal spelling helper. This is a very simple and powerful habit. Tip number 7. Learn common spelling rules. Rules are like small maps. They show you the way. You do not need many rules. Just learn 2 or 3 at a time. For example, the rule I before E except after C. So believe has I before E, receive has E before I because it comes after C. Another rule, when a word ends with Y, change Y to I and add ES. Cry becomes cries. Fly becomes flies. Another rule, double the consonant before adding ing in short words. Run becomes running. Swim becomes swimming. Try these rules with your own words. Your spelling will become more correct. Tip number 8. Spell the word out loud. Your mouth and ears help your eyes. When you spell out loud, you use more senses. For example, take the word because. Say out loud, B, E, C, A, U, S, E. Then say it again faster. Then spell it without looking. Do this while you walk, cook, or wait for the bus. Try with tomorrow, library, and family. You can do this anywhere. No paper needed, no phone needed. Just your voice. This will help you remember spelling even when you are nervous. Your brain will trust the sounds you made before. Tip number 9. Read simple books and look at the words. Reading shows you correct spelling again and again. You do not need difficult books. Read children's books, short stories, or English learning websites. For example, read a story with the word happiness. You will see it many times. Your brain takes a picture of the word. Next time you write happiness, you will remember the picture. Read for just 5 minutes every day. Cover the word with your hand, then try to spell it. Uncover and check. This is a quiet, easy way to improve. You will spell better without feeling like you are studying. Tip number 10. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Every English learner makes mistakes. Even native speakers make spelling mistakes. When you make a mistake, say, okay, I learned something new. For example, if you write their instead of there, correct it and write it 3 times. Then say, I will remember now. Do not feel bad. Feel happy that you found a mistake to fix. The fastest way to improve is to learn from your mistakes. Every time you correct one error, your English becomes stronger. You are not failing. You are growing. These are 10 easy tips to help you improve your English spelling faster than you think. Try them every day. You do not need to use all 10. Pick 2 or 3 tips that feel easy for you. Start today. You will get better and better. Now, I have a question for you. Which of these tips do you want to try first? Tell me in the comments. I will help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time.